Well then guys, we have the release of A Quiet Place, so it is out, you can get it now, and all part and parcel of that we've got some great sneak peek behind the scenes, all this kind of stuff, and also some SFX interviews and such happening around the interwebs, and part of that is actually the reveal of an initial design of A Quiet Place's monster. You can see it on the screen now. I mean, it's very, very different. You can see that it is bulkier, it's bigger. Obviously this is, not the finalized design or anything like that, but it was always going to be blind. It was always going to have the flapping plates, allowing it to hone in and open up its supposed ears. It's quite a good design, to be perfectly honest. I didn't really like the end result that we got on screen because I think it was somewhat derivative of a lot of other stuff that we've seen recently, especially the Demogorgon from Stranger Things, which, whatever you think of it, I love A Quiet Place. I think it's a good film. I think it has some issues here and there, but overall, I championed it in my review and I really liked it, but the design for me was just a subtle drawback to the overall tone of the film. I do, however, like the end result rather than what we're seeing now on the screen. Just because I think that, a bigger, more bulkier design doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be better. And yeah, I mean, it's a little bit more streamlined what we got anyway than this. And I do like the flapping plates that we had. I think it was a decent idea, but that being intertwined with armor and being the end result of the death was a little bit of an issue. But what do you think of these initial designs? Do you like these? Do you dislike these? Would you have liked these to have been in the film? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you haven't seen A Quiet Place, will you go out and watch it? Because genuinely, I highly recommend that film. I think it's a very, very good film. I know a lot of people are critical of it, and the critique is just, of course. It's a matter of opinion, but I liked it for what it was. So guys, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. As always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I've been Mr. H, and I will catch you in the next video.